A quadratic function is the function of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, and therefore it is a polynomial function of degree 2. This function has been discussed in detail in college algebra, so we'll briefly review its properties. The graph of this function is a parabola that opens up when a is positive and opens down when a is negative. The vertex is at the point where x coordinate is negative b over 2a, and the y coordinate is value of function at this point. Y-intercept is at 0c, simply because that any y-intercept of the function is the value of function at this point. And x-intercepts are solution of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, because x-intercepts are computed by equating f of x to 0. The graph of the quadratic function is also symmetric with respect to the line x equals negative b over 2a. This is a vertical line passing through the vertex. Let's look at an example. Function f of x is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. In this case, value of a is equal to, it's positive, so that means that parabola opens up. The vertex can be computed using the formula, so the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative b over 2a, and therefore it is 5 over 4. The y-coordinate of the vertex is the value of the function at this point, so value of the function and 5/4. And simple arithmetic will show that this value is negative 49 over 8. So that means that vertex is at the point 5/4, negative 49 over 8. The axis of symmetry is the line passing through the vertex, is the vertical line passing through the vertex, and therefore the axis of symmetry will be a line x equal 5/4. The y-intercept is the value of the function at 0, and therefore this is negative 3. The x-intercepts are the solutions of the equation f of x equals 0, and therefore the solutions of the equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 equal 0. This polynomial factors as 2x plus 1 times x minus 3, and therefore solutions of that equations are x equals negative 1/2 and x equals 3. Using this information, we can draw pretty accurately the graph of this function. So let's plot the intercepts, x-intercept negative 1/2 and 3, y-intercept negative 3. The vertex is at the point 5/4 and negative 49 8, so that's going to be somewhere here. This would be the vertex. The axis of symmetry will be the line going through that vertex. We'll draw it to make sure that our graph is symmetric. And now, using that symmetry, we'll draw a parabola going through those characteristic points, and we obtain the graph of that quadratic function.